in this video, we are going to look at combining some fitness and strength-based exercises with some really beautiful belly dance movements, namely the undulation, aka the camel, the uppers undulation, aka the camel, or the uppers camel. And that's it. I'm going to combine them with some leg work, which is going to work the legs, and also some squats. Okay, so you're really going to push. So let's just talk about all the components first. We're going to first of all do the legs. If you've never belly danced and done any movement before, then there's loads of tutorials on my YouTube page that you can look at, and my Insta TV if you want to look at some quick videos of how to do these movements, and then come and see me. Otherwise, you can quite easily do the exercises without. It's just not as fun, in my opinion. Okay, so what I want you to do first is you're just going to alternate heel raises. Yes? And then the energy goes up and down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Tummy engaged. Make sure that your heels, that your hips are in line, so you're not sticking your bottom out, okay? You're going to go vertically up and down. Vertically up and down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, what we're going to do to make it harder, we're going lower. Okay, so engage the tummy, lift the chest, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now, what you do without bouncing for the moment, you're just really working the legs. And 1, 2, 1. So I'm rolling through my feet quite a lot, and my thighs are really working to do this movement. I'm really isolating. Okay, so keep going. If you want to learn with me properly, take a proper course with me on my website instead, BellyDance.com. The classes run as courses, are an hour long each, and you can work your way through them at your own pace, and each lesson builds on the last. You make a lot of progress very quickly. I've thought it through very carefully. And in my school I have a particular syllabus that I've created, that I use, that ensures progress and development in everybody that takes part, rather than YouTube, which is just one-off videos randomly here and there, which is great, but if you want to learn properly, come study with me on my website. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add on the undulation. You could totally just continue the legs, otherwise we're going into undulations. They're called camels in belly dance, otherwise known as undulations. So roll down, up, roll down, up, roll down. There are videos in my, on my tutorials that break these movements down in more detail. So maybe you want to watch them first if you have no idea what you're doing. Otherwise, just follow through and do your undulation. We're trying to use as much muscles as possible. Yes. Keep it going. And then, if you like the music is called Ashes and Embers by Tribal from the Trap. And also they've got those music, so if you are a performer or a teacher or somebody who uses music for social media, you can use their music all day without any problems. It won't get blocked. The music is license free. So look them up, Tribal from the Trap. You can use their music for your social media and stuff like that. Okay, I'm going to alternate the legs and we do the undulations at the same time. Every step, or every heel even, is going to have an undulation. So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now stay low. 1, 2. So I'm going to move a little bit, a tiny bit up and down, but my focus to be my legs. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 8. Should be getting hot now. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, we're going to add on the squat. So, first of all, we're going to press back. I want your knees to be in line with your ankles and not shooting forward over your toes. Okay, so you've got to reach back. I like to imagine you're reaching for a chair, so just pull the chair far away from you. You're trying to reach for the chair. And you pull the tummy in, and we're going to press through the heels to rise up. And as we rise up, we're going to squeeze our butt cheeks really, really, really hard. Okay, so press back, press, squeeze your bottom. So I come up, I press through my heels all the way up, and I squeeze my butt cheek at the same time. Make sure you're reaching behind you. Don't let the bottom go lower than the knees, please. And I want you, so for example, I want you to do this. Okay? Stop just short of your knees. And 8, 7, 6, sure you're not scrunching your toes up. Spread your toes out, make sure you're breathing. 2 and 1. Okay, we're going to add on undulations to that as well. So, the only one we need to do is the upper undulation. It's a little bit more tricky. So, if you prefer, you can totally just do the downward undulation. You can do the squats without any undulations, or you can do it just on the way down. I'll show you the options in a second. Tuck, roll up. You want to make sure that you never feel anything happening in your spine ever. It's not good for you. And that's just in life in general, right? You don't want to feel your spine, any pain in your spine, it's not a good thing. No jerking. I'm keeping all of my movement in my abdominals and in my muscles, actually. Nothing to do with my spine. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so the first option is this. You roll, sit, rise up. Roll, sit, press the heels, squeeze the bottom, rise up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, roll and down, 2, roll and down, 2, up, we get down, 2, watch, roll, up, down, sit. As I squeeze my bottom, I'm also tucking first to roll to stand, okay? So I'll let you choose. Maybe you're a belly dancer, maybe you already know how to do it. Great, try it. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, roll, up, down, 2, up, 2, down, 2, up, 2, down, sit, squash, rise, down, and let's put it together, okay? I hope you're breathing. It's very important, you know, you must breathe. We're going to go into this with the undulation or without the undulation. The lower you go, the more you're going to work your legs, so I'll let you choose. And we'll do 8, and then we'll do 8 squats, okay? 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's finish it. And 1, 2, 1. Use your belly. Should really be working out. This is really working a lot as well as the legs. And breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Sit. Rise. Up. Down. Sit. Rise. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Sit. 2. And down. And up. And down. We're going to do one more round. You can do it. Let's go. 1, 2, 1. Breathe. 1, 2. Let's do 8 more. Come on, it's your last time. 8, 7, 6. Breathe. Don't swear at me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll, sit, rise, up, down, rise, down, rise, down, rise, down, rise, and release the stretch. Okay, for 4, 3, we're going to stretch out the hips a little bit. I hope you enjoyed that. For me, I love to try to make things as fun as possible, because otherwise, wow, I get really bored really quickly. So, wait, let me get my balance back. Okay, here we go. So take your leg over, knees are onto the wall or something, like a wall or a door or whatever, with your sofa or a table, that's fine. But your focus needs to be to stretch. Push hips behind you. And then from here, you're taking it back. Okay, so, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I try to make my exercises as fun as possible. Strength training as fun as possible because I find it really boring otherwise. So if I can find fun ways of making it look awesome, or feel awesome, or be awesome to do, then I will do that. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let's show his legs. Again, hold on to something if you need to. And take it over. Push your hips away from you. Keep the chest nice and elevated, tummy tight, and you're really, really stretching through the hip. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Well done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're all sweaty and hot. I'm currently building my strength series with all the exercises that I've been doing for, God, a really long time now. So yeah, some people was asking me, please share. So okay, fine, I'll share with you. Here you go. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you use it. Don't just stare at it and watch it and wish that you were doing it. Actually do it. Okay, anyway. So it's melissabellydance.com. I hope to see you soon. Comments below. Tell me how much you sweat or don't sweat. Okay, bye.